Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily hide transactions on Cashapp. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, you open the Cashapp application, of course. Make sure you are logged into your account and then tap right here on the search icon. In this screen and on the search bar at the top, go ahead and search for the person that you want to hide the transactions that you had with. Now, of course, you have to write their username or something like that. And once they pop up, you can go ahead and tap on their profile to select it. Now, to hide or kind of hide those transactions you had with them, you have to block that person from Cashapp. Of course, that will stop you from engaging in future payments or transactions, but that's an option to hide the transactions. That's because Cashapp doesn't allow or doesn't have a direct option to hide transactions. Now, to hide all the transactions at once, you need to actually delete your account, but even then the transactions won't disappear forever. Cashapp will keep a record of it. And that's basically how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.